Okay, so through this video, I just want to spread awareness about done for you template for network marketing for network marketers. So I have already launched it, okay, 2 weeks ago, and through this YouTube video, I just want to give you an amazing news. That is, I am adding more value to these templates. So these are ready to use done for you templates, which you can just copy and paste, and you can use it for your own network marketing business. And even if you're into affiliate marketing, this is useful for you. Okay, so I already told you in my previous videos, okay, 2 weeks ago, that is these are the templates. These are not codes. Okay, so you can directly take access, okay, to lead magnet opt-in emails. Okay, there are some emails. Just imagine that I write emails for you. I have written these emails. You can just copy and paste, and you can use it for your own business. Lead magnet opt-in emails, webinar opt-in emails, nurturing emails, 100 email subjects. Okay, 5 sample lead magnets ebook format. I'm going to give you, so through which you can just copy and paste, and you can create your own lead magnet to capture leads. Then MLM funnel designs. I'm giving you, and also I'm giving you 10 social media graphics. So all these things I have shared with you 2 weeks ago. That these all templates, okay, done for you templates, you can use. You can take it at just rupees 397, just 397. Now today I want to give you an amazing news. That is, I'm adding more and more value to these templates. So if you take access to these templates, okay, you will get access to this one of the URL, okay, one of the web page, and in this web page you will get a short tutorial on how to use these templates. Okay, so this is a short tutorial. So maybe initially you don't know how to use it. Okay, so this tutorial is going to help you how to use these templates. Okay, even right now, if you are not using email marketing software, so I am also giving you a short tutorial on how to you can create a ConvertKit account, and you can use this for your own business. Okay, so this is really amazing if you're into network marketing or affiliate marketing business. So when you click on access template, here is a good news that today I'm adding new more and more value. Okay, more value, and more value in form of, if you follow me on YouTube, then you would see that I use mind maps. Okay, so there are so many mind maps already which are saved in my hard disk, and these are the mind maps which I use for myself, for to create my content on to create content on social media, YouTube, and also to give training to my team, and for different kind of paid workshops which I do. So here is a good news that I want to give you access to top 20 mind maps. Okay, top 20 mind maps in editable format. So so this is a ultimate time saver for you. Okay, so I have added another folder here, mind maps, and right now I have uploaded 5 mind maps. Okay, 5 mind maps, and I'm going to add more. 20 mind maps will be there for you in editable format. So whether you are using MacBook or you are using a Windows operating system, still you can use these. And I have also shared proper instructions on how to use these mind maps. Okay, so these are in editable format. Okay, so I have also given a proper instructions. Okay, so you can check out this file and click here. Okay, suppose you are using MindMaster, or you are using MindMaster. These two you can use on Windows, and MindNote you can use on Mac. Okay, so suppose you are using MindMaster. Okay, so you can click on this link. Okay, click on this link, and you can check how to import these files. Okay, how to import these files in your MindMaster. So the all the mind maps which I have created for myself, okay, the same you can use in MindMaster software, and you can edit these mind maps, and you can use for your own training purpose. Okay, to create your own content. So if I click on any of these are the folders. If I click on this one page marketing plan, so you can see I have uploaded in multiple formats: mindnote.mm.op, ml.pdf, text bundle. So if you are using MindMaster, so I have given a proper instruction on how you can very easily you can import. Okay, if you open MindMaster, click on import, and then you can click you can use eDraw or mind or Markdown. Okay, so I have uploaded these files okay, so any of these files you can upload, and you can start editing it, and you can create your own content. So this is an ultimate time saver. So right now I have uploaded 5 mind maps, and I am planning to add 20 total 20 mind maps for you, so that you can use these to create your own content. Okay, so the ultimate idea of creating these done for you templates is to save time, effort, and money for you. I understand that there are some people who want to learn through courses. I have my DNA Club course, but at the same time, there are some people who want something ready to use. So this is ready to use thing. So I want you to grab access to this. Click on the link below this video, in this video description, at just rupees 397. Right now I'm not increasing the price, so in future I'm going to add more and more add-ons here. So all the future updates will be free for you if you take action today, but later on, if I add more value, definitely I'm going to add more price to this. I'm aiming to keep it at 1,999, at least 2,000 rupees, because these are templates, done for you templates. Okay, so take action and grab access to these templates instantly. Click on the link below and get access. Okay.